Welcome back everyone, Tina here, and in this video I'm going to walk you through the payments options inside contacts and opportunities on the mobile app. This feature lets you create invoices and estimates, charge customers, manage cards on file, and review payment activity without leaving the record. This will help your team to save time as well as reduce the navigation and keep payment actions tied to the right customer or opportunity. So instead of switching between different areas of the app, users can access payment actions and payment history from the same place where customer or deal details are being managed. So from a contact, users can charge the customer, create an invoice or estimate, manage cards on file, and review the related payment activity. From the opportunity, users can create invoices or estimates that are linked to the opportunity and track related payment activity from the same tab. Available actions may depend on the connected payment provider, payment configuration, the app version, as well as the user permission. So let me show you how that looks like. So let's access the app and then let's start with the payment tab inside contacts. Select your contact in question, scroll to the right, and here you can see the payment tab. Click on it. And on the right hand side, you see the plus button. Click that button and you can see you can charge now, you can create a new invoice or estimate or manage cards. Under transaction history, you can click the drop down menu. You can see subscriptions if the lead is on a subscription. You can see the invoices and you can then also see the estimates. Down here, you can also filter by type. If you want to see all the transactions, if you want to see the POS transactions only, the status, all pending, processing, successful, failed, refunded, as well as the date. Let's move on to a client who's actually purchased within the system already. Here you can then see since when is this person a customer and how much have they spent. In other words, you will see the customer lifetime value. Now let's go back top left and let's click on opportunities. This opportunity payment tab helps users manage payment activities connected to a specific deal. From here, we are going to select the opportunity. Then we're scrolling to the right and here we can click on payments and here you can see the same thing, the transaction history, invoices, estimates, as well as the plus button where you can charge now, create a new invoice or create a new estimate. Please remember that if you don't see subscriptions as a filter, that simply means the lead or the contact that you are currently accessing doesn't have any subscriptions running. And that's it already. I hope you like this feature, which will help you to manage your payments much more effectively from the mobile app directly. Please also make sure to check out all of our other videos within the playlist and I will see you over there.